Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then do share with your family and friends. Today we are going to talk about the Q2 comparisons for the IT companies for financial year 2022. Okay, so these main IT companies in India are top three are: one is TCS, another one is Infosys, whereas the last one is Wipro. So we are going to do a comparison in between all these three companies in different aspects. Okay, so first we talk about the growth in dollar. Okay, so the TCS growth is 2.9%, Infosys growth is 6.3%, whereas Wipro has the highest growth, 6.9%. Constant currency growth, if we talk about, then again the TCS has 4%, the lesser one. Infosys has 5.7%, whereas Wipro has the highest, 8.1%. EBIT margin movement, if we talk about TCS, then it has the positive 10 basis point, whereas Infosys has negative 10 basis point and Wipro has negative 100 basis point. Employees addition, if we talk about, then the TCS has hired 19,700 employees. Infosys has hired 11,664 employees, whereas Wipro only hires 11,475 employees. Attrition rate, if we talk about, then the lesser one is in TCS, 11.9%. Infosys has 20.1%, whereas Wipro has 20.5%. Deals win means how much orders they have got. So if we talk about TCS bagged $7.6 billion of orders. Okay, whereas Infosys only bags $2.15 billion, whereas the Wipro data is not yet available. Margin guidance, if we talk about, then it will sustain a good margin. Okay, Infosys will sustain 20 to 24% of the margin, whereas the Wipro data is again not available as the deals or project which they have win is not available. If we talk about the outlook, then all the three companies has the optimistic outlook. Okay, so in future, whenever any of this particular stock or the market give you the chance to enter into the stock, means I'm talking about if there is any correction in the market or in the particular stock, then you can enter by purchasing the single share. Okay, start with the single share and keep on adding on every dip. Nobody is saying you to buy 100 share together. Okay, so that will require the good amount of money. So that's why I'm saying, okay, you should start buying very less quantities, means 1, 2, 5, 10. So by doing this, you will achieve a good number of shares into your portfolio by the time being. Okay, so that is the information I just want to convey to you through this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.